Come on guys, computer generated images, it's really good. I mean, it's more creative than an average human being, that's for sure. But because it's the most powerful tool that ever existed and freely available to whoever, let's say you don't even post any images on social media, even if you take them, you need to be careful. AI is not gonna be the safest tool, which means we need to know how the world is using it and what we need to do to be cautious. Now, I know I already done this before, but it's still pretty impressive. I'm gonna show you two images and you have to figure out which one is real and which one is fake. Go! Not only can it create realistic images, it can also be creative and creates its own stylized images, like this. Okay, up until now we don't have any problems, but here onwards the story changes. Whatever we created, it doesn't exist in the real world, so everything is just for fun. But going forward, that's not gonna be the case, because we can also create real people's image. If you still don't understand why this could be a problem, well, good luck. Of course, the first people that's gonna get affected by this are celebrities. None of the images right now you're gonna see is real actors. These are all AI generated. And if you feel like, it's something absurd or there is an uncanny valley, I can somehow figure out that these are not real people. If you can, that's fine, because this is the worst the AI generated images will be. Okay, I'm not supposed to laugh, but it's kind of funny. In January of this year, I saw one interesting thing on BBC News Channel. The title goes like this:
AI Brad Pitt dupes French woman out of £830,000.
Long story short, a French woman scammed by a fake AI generated image of Brad Pitt asking for money for him. Basically, in Indian currency, it sums up to 78 crores. And we haven't started yet. This is the most important part in this video. Not only we can give a text and then get an image back, that's how we did it up until now. We can also give image and then get an image with a slight modification as an output. That's called image editing with AI, and it is really good. So we have like different sections, the image editing functions like this. Like for an example, image to image. When you give an image, you get an image back, like this example. Or you know what, image to video, where you give an image and then you get a video back as an output. An image to dance, I don't know how to explain this, but we can make someone dance by just using their image. Or image to virtual human beings. And paint to image, the name describes, you give a paint and you get an image as an output. Okay, image to morphing, this is the true editing. Basically, you give an image and then you can edit the image. If you want to make them smile, you can make them smile. Image to 3D, basically if we give an image, we can get a 3D object as an output. And image to code, basically replacing most of the web developers right now, at least the beginner level web developers.
Mark my words, AI is far more dangerous.
Hey, Mom. Hey, Dad. It's me, Ella. Well, a digital version of me, just a bit older. Amazing what technology can do these days, isn't it? All you need are a couple of pictures, like the ones you share on social media, where they can be taken and used by everybody. I know for you these pictures are just memories, but for others, they are data. And for me, maybe the beginning of a horrible future. A future where my identity can be stolen just like that. Where I can go to prison for things that I would never do. Imagine my credit score being destroyed, Dad. Or my voice copied to scam you, Mom.
Mom, I'm in trouble.
I need you to send me money, please. I don't want to become a meme, humiliated by everyone at school.
Kill yourself, you fucking loser.
And I certainly don't want this. What you share online is like a digital footprint that will follow me around for the rest of my life. I'm telling you this because I know you love me and would never do anything to harm me. So please, Mom.
Please, Dad, protect my virtual privacy.
I'm sorry, why are we creating this AI tool again? If you had this question, well, that's great. It seems like everything going downhill. Let's make this clear. This is the most powerful tool that ever existed up until now. And it's obvious it's not only going to go in a bad way, it's also going to go in a good way. Just like all the other technology that we are using. But we need to teach our parents and our kids that these things exist. Just knowing this would help us in so many ways. Trust me. And we need to take this seriously. Still, people are thinking it's just another hype. It's happening right now as you're watching this video. And it's not all bad. Like, we're gonna use this tool more than anything in the world. Like, there are good use cases that's already been developed by big companies, like a virtual try-on. And image customization, like you can edit your own image. Like, you don't need to have editing experience. You can just give an image to an AI and then ask, this is what I want, and it can edit for you. And digital art, and so many other things. It's fine, trust me. We can, and honestly we will manage it. I mean, we've been managing it up until now. But for our future generation, it's gonna get little harder and fun, because on the happy side of AI is more amazing. And yes, it still has a negative side, but you know, if people know how powerful these models are, just knowing, like I said before, will help us a lot. It's gonna be interesting and amazing. Yay! Okay, bye-bye.
அந்த பள்ளிக்கூடத்து பாட டேபிள் இருக்கு பாருங்க.